How to hard reset Pokemon Go Plus. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can reset Pokemon Go Plus, or how you can reset or hard reset your Pokemon Go Plus. Now, to reset your Pokemon Go Plus device is basically quite easy. All you have to do is you'll have to hold the center button for just over 5 seconds or until it turns solid blue. So if you hold the center button for over 5 seconds, then it will eventually turn solid blue. Then let go the button and then press the button again for another 5 seconds until it buzzes. Now basically, first you'll have to hold the center button for over 5 seconds until it turns solid blue, and then you have to let it go and then again press it again for 5 seconds until it buzzes. So once you do so, now the device is reset and you can pair the Pokemon Go Plus to any new device. So this way you can easily reset Pokemon Go Plus. Now I won't be able to show you here unfortunately, but that's how you do it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.